Hi, it's Kerry. I've got some new animals and lots of birds. That's a bearded vulture. We've got the toucan family in the background there. A tiger, a groundhog, a shoebill and a marabou stork, and in the front a spoonbill. A seagull asleep in the tree. Two bald eagles, mother ostrich and her chick, and Babirusa, a coral snake. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like animals. This new tiger is made by Safari. Tigers are apex predators, primarily preying on ungulates such as deer and bovids. They are territorial and generally solitary but social animals. They are the biggest species of the big cat family. A tiger's habitat would include trees, bushes and clumps of tall grass. The groundhog. They are also known as woodchucks, belonging to a group of large ground squirrels known as marmots. The groundhog is a lowland creature. It is found through much of the eastern United States, across Canada and into Alaska. Groundhogs are well adapted for digging. The Babirusa. They're also called deer pigs. They are a genus from the swine family, found in some of the Indonesian islands. The remarkable prehistoric appearance of these mammals is largely due to the prominent upward-inward curving canine tusks of the males, which actually pierce the flesh in the snout. Can you tell me how many bald eagles in today's video? The bald eagle is easily recognized by its white head, brown body and hooked yellow beak. The bald eagle has been the national emblem of the United States of America since 1782. The bald eagle is one of the largest raptors in the world. They use their acute sense of sight and powerful talons. Bald eagles attack their prey by swooping down on them at an angle. They can reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers an hour, which is 100 miles per hour when diving. The bearded vulture is the only animal that mainly eats bone. The bird throws the larger bones from a height onto rocky slopes so that they shatter and break, and then quickly descends after them in a characteristic spiral. If the bone does not break the first time, they keep on throwing it until it breaks up. The coral snake. They are venomous snakes that live in North America. They are members of the cobra family. Coral snakes possess a pair of small hollow fangs to deliver their venom. The fangs are positioned at the front of the mouth. There's not too many fatalities from them. They mainly live in unpopulated areas. The kill-billed toucan lives in tropical and subtropical jungle regions and are easily recognized by their large, colourful bills. Their 18 to 20 centimetre bill is the longest bill of any bird in the world in relation to their body size, and here's another one perched on a branch. The toucan's bill is very light and is made of keratin in a honeycomb-like structure. Seagulls are typically coastal or inland species. They nest in large, densely packed, noisy colonies and lay 2 or 3 speckled eggs. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Even though it has wings, it can't fly, but can run quite fast. It is found in nature in Africa, but is farmed all over the world for its meat. The males have black feathers with some white on the underside and tail. Each herd has one big nest where all the eggs are laid. This way they can protect the eggs. The ibis is a wading bird found in many places where there's water. Their orange-red colour comes from their diet based on algae and small crustaceans. They are a rich source of carotenoid pigments, which gives them this wonderful colour. The spoonbill. Spoonbills are a group of large, long-legged wading birds, which also include the ibises. It has a distinctive broad-shaped bill. You can see the spoon shape of the bill there. The shoebill is a very large stork-like bird It gets its name from its massive shoe-shaped bill. The adult is mainly grey like this one, while the juveniles are browner. It lives in tropical East Africa in large swamps. Marabou storks are most noticeable due to their long grey legs, which appear white due to a build-up of excrement. They stand an average of 3.2 metres, which is 10.5 feet tall. Africa is the native home of the marabou stork. During social displays, they make a loud croaking sound using their gular sac. By squirting excrement onto their legs, the marabou stork is able to cool down. When they want to warm up, they will spread out their wings. There's a fun ending today, so remember to stay for that. And let me know if there's any videos that you would like me to make. I'm always interested in new ideas, although I do have a very long list. And here's a close-up of the two bald eagles. And here's trouble. Thank you for watching my video. It really helps if you can share my videos on any of the social media sites that you like to visit. See you again soon.